Hi, welcome back to the Event House channel, your home for all things hospitality. I'm your host, Jill Goldfine. We are back on the road. I want to know if you are traveling. Have you been traveling? Do you have a lot of trips coming up? The FAA has grounded so many flights and cancellations, delays, weather, all kinds of crazy obstacles have made it really difficult and increased the prices. So I want to know how busy you are on the road. So for all you road warriors, today's video is going to bring you fun travel gadgets that maybe you don't have and maybe you want to get. This video is not endorsed or sponsored by anyone. I just want to share some fun things that I've come across and hope you enjoy. So let's get started. This is a travel scale, a suitcase scale. You clip this to your suitcase and you turn it on here and it will weigh your suitcase. So you'll know whether or not you're over the maximum weight and if you have to make any packing adjustments before you get to the airport. Excellent gadget that I love. The next one is this case here. It folds up for packing and then opens to hold 5 pair of glasses. So it's traditionally made for sunglasses, which is totally fine, but I always have to bring an extra pair of readers for myself. So this is a great place to store your readers among different sunglass options. So I love taking this with me as well. Next up is this little silver gadget. It's a perfume atomizer, travel size. Where's the entrance? Yeah. You put your own perfume from home inside the little capsule and then you can spray it on the road and it travels so nicely in your toiletries bag. I wanted to share this toiletries bag. It's by LL Bean and it attracts my attention specifically because it's big and folds conveniently flat, but it has so many pockets as you would expect from LL Bean. I like that it has a mirror in it, but it's got a clear pouch and so many stand-up mesh pouches and zippers of all kinds, pockets on the outside. I'm a big fan of pockets. That keeps everything organized. I like, and this one's mesh, you can see through it. Just a great way to be organized when you are traveling. Also, I hope I'm not the only one, you can let me know, but I will tell you it has been a very long time since I bought a new steamer. This one I just got about, a handful of months ago, and I've used it all the time. I have traveled with it, and I use it at home all the time. What makes this one so great from the old ones, here you can see your water level here, is that it heats up in 90 seconds, I think. My old one, I can't even tell you, 10 minutes. I would leave the room, come back, and it was still trying to percolate. This one is quick, and efficient, very strong. I love it. The technology has come a long way. The next one is a phone waterproof case. This one's a little bright in color, maybe not my first choice, but you can see it, spot it anywhere. You put your phone in here and everything, the screen here, the camera window is in the back, and then you seal it up and it holds all the water out as it's supposed to do. It's got a neck strap for you. I have snorkeled with this. I have been in deep water pools with this. It absolutely works, and maybe not so much for business travel, but when you're traveling on vacation to somewhere nice, this will be very handy. Next up is this shoe bag. I'm a big fan of packing cubes. I use them all the time, and somebody that I partnered with for one of my events last year gave me this as part of an amenity. And I thought, that was very thoughtful, but I didn't know if I needed a shoe bag. And I tried it for when I packed to come home. And for me, I have small feet. I could fit 2 pair in this bag. And I will tell you, it is fantastic. It is somewhat different than the packing cubes that I'm used to. It's fantastic. So now I'm a strong believer in having a separate shoe bag. The next item I have is this big Ziploc compression bag. I'm a big fan, especially when I am packing in a carry-on suitcase. This really works. I folded up one of those flannel jacket, shirt, shacket things, super bulky, and I put it in here and rolled it all up. You seal the bag, roll it up. This is for a vacuum, but while I was on the road, certainly I did not have a vacuum. So you roll it up. Excuse the crinkling, but it absolutely gets all the air out. Then you open up a corner of the zip and get all the rest of the air out. And literally, it was so flat. It was just like what you see in the commercials on TV. This is one of them, and they do work. Also, I am in love with these AirTags. They are all the rage. The cases come in a variety of colors. This hooks up, this one is for Apple phones, and it hooks up with Find My iPhone app. I know there are other brands of these luggage trackers that would be compatible with iPhones as well as Android phones. In this day and age, with all the air traffic congestion and mishaps, losing luggage is a big part of that. And this is a great way for you to track from your phone to your suitcase to make sure it's on the plane, the same plane that you're on. And if for some reason it doesn't follow you as it's supposed to, you can find out where it is and then get in touch with the airline to make sure that it gets routed to your actual destination. But this is something that has become a must-have. I hope that you find some value in any of these products. They are serving me well, and I was excited to share them with you. I am always interested in hearing what other travelers love. I think that this is all about sharing ideas. So if you have any, please put them in the comments below so I can look into them. And I can't wait to see what you love, and safe travels. Please subscribe to our channel. We want this to be a platform where we can share ideas, not just for meeting planners, but for the entire hospitality community. I want to hear from you. I hope that you're getting a lot out of these videos. I so enjoy making them and sharing them with you. So let's stay in touch.